Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the crypto market and the price of crypto, and we're going to be answering the massive question that people have on their minds. Are we about to enter another bull run, or is the price of crypto about to crash? So we're going to go through a lot of the analysis right now. I'll show you a bit of the charts and how to sort of read it yourself. I'm just going to go through my own analysis and what I've been looking through on crypto at the minute, and just researching as well, seeing what other people are seeing at the state of crypto, just to sort of give you my take on it, and also showing you how you can really position yourself before this next big move. And to be honest, I think you've got to be quick with this one, especially if you're not in crypto at all. This could be your best time, because I think really, as we look at Bitcoin, and I've been researching other people who've also been reading the charts and everything, and they're all saying that they reckon Bitcoin is about to meet some all-time high. So the price of Bitcoin, because obviously it's the first ever cryptocurrency, drives the entire market. So obviously right now you can see that there's been a massive buy and a massive green candle on Bitcoin at the moment. And if you go down to say like Solana and Ethereum, they all sort of follow a similar pattern. So you can see Solana is the exact same, Ethereum exactly the same. So the price of Bitcoin is obviously going to determine the rest of the crypto market and altcoins. What's interesting about the crypto market at the moment is that it's showing a repeat of earlier cycles. The institutional interest is strong. You've got a lot of banks investing into cryptocurrency. You've got major hedge funds that are obviously investing in cryptocurrency. Long-term holders aren't selling. On-chain data shows that smart money has been quietly accumulating during this correction phase. Now, a lot of people look at Bitcoin dominance and assume that when dominance dips, altcoins will automatically fly. And that's not always true. In fact, many altcoins have already had their runs between late 2022 and early 2025. But here's the key difference in this cycle. When I started looking at cryptocurrency in like 2017, 2018, it was still such a gray area, and all the big institutions wanted to stay away from it. And everyone was advising people to never invest in Bitcoin. You don't know if it's going to crash and all the rest of it. But now in 2025, institutions are more involved than they were at any point in history. And that changes the entire landscape. If Bitcoin pushes through this next resistance zone, which is its all-time high right here, and this little section right here, so I can show you the resistance zone. Obviously, we've got this one at the top, but we've got this massive area around 120,000 to this 117,000 region. The price has sort of just been consolidating through July and August. It took a massive dip, and then in September, it started to crawl back up. Hit this certain level again, that 117,000 region. This little area price is a massive support and resistance zone. But as you can see right here today, this is why I decided to make this video, is there's been a massive green candle on Bitcoin, and it looks like it's shooting up to test this resistance once again. And if it pushes through this and meets new all-time highs, then it's very likely we'll see it drag the whole entire crypto market into another upward phase, and we're going to see another bull run. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that the all-time high was $124,000, and it's built a massive level of support around the $100,000 region. So I personally, even if it's going to crash, don't see it meeting this level again where it crashed to around $80,000. But the whole difference in cryptocurrency right now is that because these massive institutions are involved, they're obviously just trying to drive the price down so they can buy cheaper as well. If you look at the daily, you can see that this massive level of support, the price has just been consolidating between 100,000, is what's going to keep it from going below this $100,000 region. You can see every time that the price came down to this region, it couldn't break it. It couldn't go even further down past it. So whenever it goes to this level of support, it retests, goes back upwards to this level of support. As soon as it breaks that, we're going to see all. So you can see what happened this morning with the price of Bitcoin. Literally a couple of days ago, it was at this support level, and there's been a massive increase in price, and especially today as well. This huge green candle, I've started looking at the volume that was coming into all crypto charts as well, and the volume goes just absolutely crazy. But what I think it will do, I don't know if it will break this level of support just yet. But when you start to see it breaking the $120,000 region and going above it like it was nothing, that could be probably one of your best times to enter. Or it could retest. It could start like retesting around this region, come back down to here, this support level, probably when you want to be entering when it turns back around to go this way. Now, if we look and zoom at the bigger picture, I've not got the indicators on, but RSI, MACD, Fibonacci levels, they're all sort of pointing toward a cooling off period. And from researching other people, this is what I've been seeing. And it might be ending soon. Every time Bitcoin has these sharp corrections, you see a massive bounce. And in a broader bull cycle, these bounces often turn into massive rallies where they're just going absolutely bothered. We're also seeing a massive increased search interest for crypto terms, spiking Google trends for Bitcoin. And there's a lot of higher engagement in just crypto related things in general. So before you go all in, you need to be also realistic as well, because cryptocurrency can be volatile, and especially when it corrects. You can see 20% drops in a day sometimes. You're also seeing massive increases like this, where it's going from 75,000 in a few days to 100,000. If the stock market starts pulling back, then crypto usually finds it even harder. And that's why it's crucial not to chase these pumps blindly. If you see a massive pump and you're going, oh yeah, and just trading with emotions, don't do that. You want to be waiting when it comes around. This section again all shows a massive clear break of structure where it's just going parabolic. It's just before it does. And you need to obviously, this is obviously for trading. If you're just trying to trade crypto normally, use stop losses, use proper risk management, everything that you need to do. Just do your research into it before you invest blindly if you're completely new to this. But if you're investing long term, then dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin every dips. Yeah, probably altcoins is a better shout, to be honest. You're going to be seeing more return on best altcoins that are out there, like the Solanas. So, in my opinion, based on previous cycles and a lot of other people's opinions from what I've been researching as well, after a correction like the one we just had, the next 6 to 12 months could be really explosive, because obviously as soon as it gets past this level, we don't know where Bitcoin's going to go. If it does reach this level, then we're going to be seeing massive all-time highs. So in my opinion, I don't believe Bitcoin's going to crash. I see it, obviously it met that all-time highs in around the July time, and now it's come down for a retest, and it will sort of form a new level of support around this section. It probably will retest around here for a minute, but as soon as it breaks this, it's going to be a massive rally, and altcoins are going to follow behind it. Well, obviously the good altcoins. So the signs are there, the data supports it, the opportunity is massive. Another crypto bull run is happening soon. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure that you subscribe to us for more trading content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.